Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have for sale here a 13 bedroom, 13 bathroom, unfinished two-story house located in Lime Hall, St. Anne, Jamaica. This house is less than 10 minutes from St. Anne's Bay and 20 minutes from Ocho Rios. The property is 9,297 square feet of land and has great views of the ocean and the environs of Lime Hall. Some other features of this house includes main level entry, mountain view, paved road, family oriented, seniors oriented, and quiet area. The current price of this house is Jamaican 30 million or US $190,000. Now, let's take a quick look at this property and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.